Hi everyone, welcome back to my tutorial series on upselling using the Checkout Upsell plugin. In this video, we're going to learn how to create post-purchase upsell offers in Woocommerce using the Checkout Upsell plugin. Let's get started. Post-purchase upsell is when the customer is presented with an upsell offer after they complete or finish their order. With the upsell plugin, you could display the upsell product after the customer clicks the place order button. This method is found very accepted on e-commerce platforms because customers don't need to enter any information such as payment details once again. Let us now see how to create this post-purchase upsell campaign for WooCommerce using this plugin. Before which, if you haven't already installed the plugin yet, you can find the detailed installation guide and the purchase link attached in the description below. Please feel free to make use of it. To create a post-purchase upsell campaign, we're going to go to the WordPress dashboard. After you successfully install the Checkout Upsell plugin, you'll be able to find it here. Now let's go to the campaigns tab and start creating this new campaign. Click on create new campaign, which will get you started, and then choose the campaign type to be post purchase. Now this campaign type is available in the pro version. Now you can configure the post purchase upsell offer by entering a campaign name. I'm going to call it special offer post purchase. All right. Next, we're going to add an offer for this campaign. For this video, we're going to offer post-purchase order bump only above purchases worth $500 or above. Alright, what I mean to say is customers need to purchase at least for $500 in order for them to qualify for this particular post-purchase order bump. Let us first decide the offer product and then see how to set the conditions. Click on Add Offer to choose an offer product. From this drop down, you'll be able to select the offer product. I'm going to select sunglasses, and then comes the quantity. All right. By default, you can notice that the quantity field is empty. This is when you want customers to buy any quantity of this particular offer product for the offer price. In case you define with some quantity here, it means customers can buy only that particular quantity for the offer price. All right. I'm going to leave it empty because I want customers to choose how many quantities they would want. Next comes the discount type and the discount value for this particular offer product. I'm going to set the discount type to percentage and its value to 30%. All right. You can notice that as you keep configuring the offer, on the right, you'll be able to have this offer preview where you can see what the post-purchase order bump looks like. Next comes the usage limit. The plugin comes with two usage limits. One is overall usage limit, where the entire campaign is limited with whatever number we restricted here. For example, if I put 2 here, it means the campaign runs overall twice, after which the campaign will not function. Similarly, usage limit per customer is when we limit it per customer. For example, if I set 1 here, it means each customer can run this campaign only once, after which the campaign will be invalid. Alright, for this video, to understand how this works, let's make use of the usage limit per customer option and set this to 1, which means this particular offer will be applicable for each customer only once. Great. While considering a post-purchase order bump, you'll notice that as soon as customers click on the place order button, they'll be able to view this offer in a separate page. All right, that page we call the offer page. Let me take you and show you this is the offer preview. The offer page looks something like this. But the good news about the plugin is you can customize this look and feel of this particular offer page using the options found here. Let's go to page contents and see what are the different options available. You could edit the offer description, the offer CDA text, etc. All right. So all of this could be customized according to your needs. You can in fact give a different image or your own custom image. All right. Similarly, you can also style this page according to your requirements. After we have done the necessary customization, we can just click on add offer and go back to the original campaign. This is the campaign configuration. Well, we have created the offer product and we have also seen how to customize the offer page. Now let's add a condition to this campaign. Remember in the beginning of the video, we said we're going to offer this upsell product only if customers purchase for $500 or above. Alright, to set that condition, we need to go to this condition section, click on choose a condition, and from the drop down, you can select order total. Click add condition to see this extension, after which you can click order total. You can choose either you want it greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, anything of your choice. I'm going to select greater than or equal to and set the value to 500. This means that only if this particular condition matches, then this offer product will appear for customers. Alright, that is it. On the right, you could also see the status and priority of this particular campaign. Status is active. Priority applies when you have multiple campaigns running on your site. And then schedule. You can also schedule this particular campaign in advance, or you can also set an expiry for this particular campaign. Alright, great. Let's save and close this particular campaign and move forward to the next step. We have successfully created the post-purchase upsell campaign. All that we have to do right now is see how it works. All right. To test this post-purchase upsell campaign, let me take you to the storefront. Well, we are on the storefront now. All we have to do is add products to the cart worth 500 or above. Let me purchase this polo t-shirt with 5 quantities. Let's proceed to the checkout page. Now that the condition is matched, now all that we have to do is select a payment method. I'm using Stripe for this particular video. And then upon clicking on place order button, you'll be able to see the post purchase order bump. All right. Upon clicking on place order button, we are able to notice this post purchase order bump. Sunglass is offered for a 30% discount. You can notice that the order is not processed yet. Well, this means that if customers choose to add this particular offer product sunglass by clicking on this add offer to my order, what happens is this particular offer product will get added to the original order and then the payment will be processed. But if customers choose to skip this offer, then payment will process as it is, which is without the offer. All right. Now what I'm going to do is click on add offer to my order, which adds this offer product to my original order. Well, now you can notice that the order is successfully placed. This is the original order. Polo is the product that we have purchased. And then sunglasses was the post-purchase order bump, isn't it? So this particular offer product is also added to the original order. Let me also show you what this looks like on the back end. We're back to the WordPress dashboard, and under Woocommerce, let me take you to the orders tab to show you how the order has been managed, has been processed. This is the particular order that we have placed 3 minutes ago. So let me click on this to show you what it looks like. So in a single order, you could find both the original item and the offer product added together. This is the product that we have purchased earlier. This is the original order. This is the post-purchase offer product. Great. This is what I wanted to show you. Well, you have noticed that this particular offer was added to the original order before the payment was processed, isn't it? But in case you'd want to show the offer only after the customer has finished the payment process instead of before it, then you can change the display of the offer to after payment, which means only after the payment is processed, customers will be able to see this particular post-purchase order bump. I'm going to show you how to enable this from our settings. Well, here we are back to the Checkout Upsell dashboard, and here let's go to the settings tab. Under campaigns, you'll be able to find post purchase and its settings. The first one is choose when the offer will be displayed. We have selected before payment, and that is why when customers chose to add the offer product, it gets added to the original order and then the payment is processed. All right. I'm going to now select after payment is completed. All right. And then show you what this setting can do. After selecting after payment is completed here, let's save the changes. Now I'm going to again go to the storefront and place a fresh order and show you how this setting works. Alright, so before we place this new order, it is important for us to keep in mind that in the campaign that we have created, we have set usage limit to 1, isn't it? So we may have to remove that usage limit now in order to test it, because this particular campaign will apply only one time per customer. Okay, so let me just remove it. Let's click on this edit option and remove the usage limit now. This is only for testing purposes. All right. Now let me take you to the storefront And now we will have to qualify for the post purchase order bump, which means I have to purchase at least 500 or above. So let me add this particular polo t-shirt again to the cart and increase the quantity to 5. Proceed to checkout, which means now we have purchased for $500. And what we'll have to now do is select the payment method and place the order. Okay, I have done the payment method and then click on place order. Now you will be able to notice that the payment is being processed. All right. After the payment is being processed, you'll be able to see the post purchase offer page. All right. You can notice the message that says your order has been received, which means the original order has been already placed. All right. Now customers can either choose to add this product, and if they do, because we have selected after payment from the settings, what happens is this particular offer product will be created as a new order. All right. So let me click on add offer to my order. Customers can also choose to skip this offer. Now customers do not have to go through the payment process again. But what they can notice is two orders have been created. The first one is the main order in which the main product was purchased, and the second is the offer order. All right. So what I mean to say is when you click on after payment, not only does the offer show only after the customer has completed their order payment, but also the order gets placed as two different orders. The first one, the main order, and the second, the offer order. Let me show you what this looks like on the back end so we'll have a better understanding. We're back to the WordPress dashboard. Now let's go to Woocommerce, to the orders tab. Here are the placed order. Jill Test is the account that I'm using. So let's click on this particular Jill Test, which was placed 3 minutes ago. And you can notice here is the polo product that we have purchased for 5 quantities. And then let's go back. There's also another order placed 2 minutes ago, which has the offer product. Here we go, sunglass for a 30% off. Great, this is what I was trying to say. Well, that is all about the post-purchase upsell offer that we have created in Woocommerce using the Checkout Upsell plugin. Hope this video was very helpful and thank you so much for watching.